There we go, with 1 and 6/10 seconds left. Wizards need the bucket for the win. Jordan, the jumper. Got it! Yeah. He got it at the buzzer! Jordan does it to Cleveland again!
Do you believe that?
Oh. Jordan is the Cavalier killer!
And no time.
What a shot by the greatest player of all time!
Enough time to bounce that ball, set his feet underneath him, and bury, as you call it, the daggers.
Our Subway play of the day, Majkl Džordan, who leads all scorers tonight with 26 points. He did it to the Cavaliers in the playoffs. He did it to Cleveland when he scored a career-high 69, and he's done it in his comeback bid here with the Washington Wizards tonight.
The key here is Popeye delivers a pass directly to him. Doesn't throw a lob pass to give the defense a chance to kind of get readjusted and challenge that shot.